Okay, let's talk about field effect transistor class, and this is our last lecture. But this is a three-part series, no? But FET lang ni tanan. So this is going to be our last topic for LX1, the field effect transistor. So let's have a comparison lang sa what's the difference between the BJT and FET. Okay. Now, mag-learn class sa BJT that, di ba mo niya itong forma? We have the collector here, we have the base, and the emitter. Okay? Emitter 3. Now, ang atong formula, if you can recall, is that your IC is equal to beta IB, right? Forgive me kung ano lang kayo. Okay. So meaning, the IC or the collector current is very dependent on the value of IB, right? In the beta. So we can say that IC is a function of IB because when IB changes, IC changes as well. So you can say that PJT class is current controlled. Okay. Current controlled siya because the input here is the base current and it somehow controls the output nato nga collector o katong emitter current nato. Excuse me. Okay, however, the field effect transistor class or FET is different from your BJT in the sense that it's not controlled by the current or current control, it's voltage controlled. So ingani pod ang ato ang terminals sa FET, no? Actually, the same na sila. They have three terminals, BJT. They're both transistors. They can be used as amplifiers. Okay. But FET here has different names for terminals, no? Ang counterpart sa imong base is the gate. Ana? And your counterpart sa imong collector is the drain. And then sa imong emitter is the source. So still three terminals, yeah. And the gate here is the input. Now, your drain current class is the output, no, and that is equals imong source current because in FET mo or FET, di ba sa imong BJT naka very very small base current na naka microamperes, but sa imong FET class, imong gate current is equal to zero ginasiya, equal to zero. That's why your drain and your source current is the same. Sa IC ato naman i-approximate or if ato siyang i-solve gyud mathematically nagi siya slight difference, di ba? Because your imong emitter mode is the total of your base and your collector. Here is straight ra gyud na and we can see later sa construction nganong same pod ang imong ID ug ang imong IS. Okay, so this is now our gate, di ba? Now, ang atong drain current class, as you can see here sa annotation, it's a function of your VGS. Kung sa BJT, your collector current is a function of your base current. Okay, current control mo siya. Here, it's a function of the voltage input na VGS nimo. Okay, this is the control voltage. Meaning, sa imong BJT, if you increase your base current, you increase also your IC, di ba? Here, sorry, yes, mo na itong relationship no, but does not necessarily mean nga kaning function of something entails nga directly proportional siya. It could be inversely, di ba? But anyways, the point is it's a function of that certain variable. Now, ang drain current nato is a function of your VGS. So we call it our FET as voltage control amplifier instead of current control because the drain current naton, the source current, is controlled by our VGS, meaning if we increase or decrease our voltage class, that affects our drain current. Now, why is this so? So this is our, later in the construction. So another difference for FET is that it's more temperature stable than BJTs. And it's smaller than BJTs, thus making them more practically useful in integrated circuit chips. Kaya mas gamay naman siya. So there are two important types of FET, no natin JFET, which is the junction field effect transistor, and we have MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Now JFET is a branch out po siya duha. We have the N-channel JFET or the P-channel JFET. Now, if you can recall sa BJT, you have ang atong pangalan ni sa BJT is PNP and PN. here class is N channel, ano lang, N channel, P channel. For MOSFET, we still have N channel, P channel, no, but it's differentiated into two types pag yun. We have the D MOSFET, or we call it the depletion type MOSFET. And E MOSFET is the enhancement type MOSFET. And then for each type, napagid siya gitawag na N-channel D-MOSFET, P-channel D-MOSFET. So sa E-MOSFET, same yapon you have the N-channel and the P-channel. Okay, so these are the types of field effect transistor. Let's go to the construction of our JFET class. Okay, our JFET looks like this. Kung atong i-recall sa atong BJT para makita na itong difference, is that natay tuwa ka junction no nga NP. As for example, this is NPN. Okay, this is our collector, this is our base, this is our emitter. Now, makita na to nga separated gid ang tulo class. Separated gid siya. For each terminal na siya ihang own connection sa iyang NPN ba. But sa JFET na to class, tanawagan ni, this is an N-channel, no? N-channel N-channel JFET. Ang atuang gate class, which is equivalent na siya sa tong base, no? Counterpart sa tong base sa BJT. It's connected to both the P channel. Okay? Tanawa gani. This is shorted manikan ni siya because of this connection. Connected na sila ani. Okay? Kana nga P. And then this is your N. Now you can see that drain na to class, maupod na imong connection sa imong source. Dili pareha aning collector o emitter ba? Yes, they're both N. However, di na sila connected. Okay, di na sila connected. Pero kani siya, straight lagi na siya, the drain and the source. Mo nang, instead of calling it a PNP na JFET, we call it the N channel to highlight that ang connection or ang channel nga connected sa mong drain and source is N. Naputay NPN dira no, P channel. So of course, ana po ang iyang construction ana naka N ka dira, and this is your drain, this is your source, and this is your gate. Okay, connected na siya ana. Mo po na imuhang P channel. So ang name nga N channel refers to the channel nga connected sa imong drain ug sa imong source because they are one channel. Now, unsa mahitabo di ay if this is the VGS, di ba? Pasabot sa VGS is the voltage across your, between your gate and your source. Okay? So, kanagikan ana, padulong sa imong source. Mo na imuhang VGS. Now, ngano man nga ang VGS when we change the value, ani, why does it affect the drain current? The answer class is that mura siya gripo ba? We can have this analogy, no? Nga mo ni mong gate, katong knob sa imong gripo. Di ba, pwede nimo makontrol ang amount of water that flows out class from your source to the drain, and drain is in this case is kanang drain sa imong sa imong sink, ibali, okay? Now, kung ablihan pag mo siya maayo, mas mukusog ang ihang flow, di ba class? So think of the water as the current flowing sa imong drain to source. Kana. And think of the gate as kanang imong knob diri sa imong gripo. Because the more you change mo the VGS class, what happens here? Ingani mahitabo. For example, you have a negative VGS. Okay, negative VGS. Actually, later ma-discuss na to nga ang ideal gid ani nga value sa VGS is 0. Pero pwede na to siya mabias nga naa diri atong negative polarity no connected sa to. Itong gate and then sa source ang positive. So, ang idea mo gud ani kay kung nakay positive diri, okay, this is how we bias and channel JFET eh. So, kung nakay positive, di ba, we want our electrons to be attracted sa tong holes, di ba? So, ang tendency, sakto mo ni siya ang flow sa imong drain current, ma-attract kita nandira. So, of course, we want the flow of the electrons manggod nga diretso siya sa drain to source. That's the ideal. However, ang negative diri class, this negative here, mo-attract po siya sa imong P. Imong holes diri ba? Di ba daghay mong holes diri sa imong P? So the tendency is ang mga holes nimo attracted ani nga kuan, attracted ani nga polarity o kini po siya, kini man ang polarity na negative. Okay? So attracted po siya ana. Na unsa kita mahitabo kung attracted ang ato ang holes opposite sa atong PN channel or sorry PN junction mubaga man ni siya di ba class mubaga nga mo ato ang depletion region diri kay mubaga siya. So pagbagaan na class of course mo decrease gamay ang imuhang ang mga electron nga maka-flow dira. Okay, or maka-transfer from here, from the drain to source. Pero nagyapon ang current. The idea lang is the more you bias kung the more negative this VGS is, the thicker this depletion region tungod ang negative ni Mudre. Again, pag basin maingon ta nganong kuan man pod nganong i-positive lang din nato ni siya para mo repel siya. Naapod tayo ko ano na class for another type of JFET. Positive gyapon siya pero again, we want our current to flow from drain to source. So that's why it should be negative here para ma-attract dira ang imong electron. Pero na ay trade-off kibali ana nga bias. And that is the thickening of your depletion region. So again, uh, mura siya pag-adjust nimo ba, the more you adjust, for example, this is a thick man na siya nga depletion region. You can think of it as kanang hinay pa imong pagtuyok sa knob. And then, imo na pong i-bias nga ma-thin siya na ma-thin. So, more na pod ang imong electron nga nag-flow dira. So, sa imong gripo, imo siyang gi-adjust na mas ma-open siya. Okay, and then until such time na your VGS is syempre naman gina always in depletion region no. Ato lang mabuhat is ato siyang i-minimize as much as possible. So for example, your VGS is equal to 0 class. Mo naman na imuhang maximum nga values yung VGS. Okay, again, we are biasing it in a negative biasing man naman diri negative. So 0 would be the maximum value. So again, kung 0 mong VGS diri class, actually that is when your ID is at maximum nga current flow niya. Maximum value sa iyang current. Okay? When your VGS is 0. Ang equivalent ana class sa kaning analogy is that kanang gi-maximum na ihurot na bitaw gini mo imuhang gi-open na gid nimo siya at sa iyang maximum nga pagtuyok sa knob and you have the maximum flow of your water na dili na ka mo kuanan na dili na ka mas mo kusog ang agas ana nga sa tubig no because that's the maximum niya inga na iya po ng idea dire when your VGS is equal to 0 it's as if we are achieving a very thin depletion region na yun. Okay, that's why we can have the maximum drain current. Okay, that's for the construction lang. So, ato ta sa symbol class. Ayan na itong symbol. Medyo different siya sa tuwang BJT because your BJT is like this, di ba? If you have an NPN channel, sorry. Okay, anak man na, no? NPN channel. You have the base, then mo itong emitter dire. Okay? Now, for the JFET symbol, syempre di naman NPN or PNP ang atong tawag siya. We call it the N channel. Okay, N channel. So, ang N channel is ang atong arrow class for JFET is wala na siya sa emitter or wala na siya sa source na kung equivalent mo. Wala na siya sa gate. Ang imong arrow na diri. Okay. So, for N channel, medyo baliha lang inyong hunahuna. Di ba for NPN, nigawas ang arrow, NPN nigawas sa BJT. Here, ni sulod ang imong arrow sa gate nung pasulod siya sa kaning node nato dire. Okay? And then for our P channel pagawas. Okay, pagawas po siya dira. Again, ang arrow nato is sa gate na. And then of course, this is the VGS. Nga nagyapon the notation will be different because we have different terminals pero the naming of the voltage class, same nagyapon, it follows the same order ng nga. Kung gate na siya and source na siya, the voltage across that is VGS. The notation ba nga, double notation na to. Kini po siya, between your drain and your source, you have a VDS because drain and source. Okay, same gyapon siya na, VDS, VGS. Alright, now nakanindot for JFET, dili pareha sa tong BJT class, is that ato mang i i-KVL na to ang mga circuit so that we can get the expression for the IB, IC, IE, and everything. Okay? Here's a JFET na to. Actually, sa MOSFET ma-apply po na siya. For depletion MOSFET, ang lahi ang sa enhancement. Ato ang ID class for the drain current is given by this equation na diretso. This is what we call the Shockley's equation. Magawa sa board exam. The drain current class is equal to your IDSS, which is a constant value, okay? For every JFET and MOSFET, sa ato ang data sheet sa atong mga transistor, hatagan man taan na og value sa maximum drain current na class. And that is denoted by your IDSS, okay? Now, that is multiplied by the quantity 1 minus VGS, which is the control variable. Now, this is katong the voltage between your gate and your source, divided by VP. Now, sa maning VP? This is the value of your VGS at pinch off. Okay, again, kanang VP ni mo VGS, nagyapon ni siya class, pero this is special value sa imong voltage wherein na pinch off ni mo siya. So, ning pinch off? Kani ang value sa imuhang VGS wherein your ID is 0. Ito bitang baga na kay ang iyahang baga na kay ang depletion region. Kung baga na kay ang depletion region class kana, like murag wala na jud siya maka-flow dira, ana man na siya. Okay, baga na kay ang depletion region. So kung baga na kay wala na yung makaagi dira nga electron, wala na yung flow of current class. We call this condition as pinch off na nga condition. And the voltage nga atong gibayas dira nga VGS wherein naka pinch off na gid siya, gidenote po na nato og VP. Okay? Okay, so natin mga condition dire. When VGS is equal to 0, theoretically, di ba we know nga when VGS is equal to 0, maximum ang ma-flow, maximum current ang atong drain current. Okay, so that's why you have ID is equal to IDSS. Now, mathematically, we can check that class because when this is 0, okay, when this is 0, this whole equation or this whole fraction is 0, right? Now, kung 0 na siya, we have 1 minus 0. So, 1 squared, 1 lang yapon times IDSS. So, our ID is equal sa atong maximum drain current. Okay. Now, when VGS is equal to VP, okay, kaning VP, again, this is defined na sa itong mga data sheets sa itong mga transistor. When VGS is equal to VP, so, for example, ako ning pulihang VP nga value ang VGS. Okay, VP. Kung equal ang VGS sa itong VP, ang mahitabo ng VP over VP na kay 1, di ba? Now, 1 minus 1 is 0. So, 0 ang imuhang sa sulod sa parentheses, times IDSS, 0 na dayon ang imuhang value. So, meaning, when your VGS is equal to the pinch of voltage, there's no current flowing sa imong drain, padulong sa imong source. Okay? And that is given by this. Of course, there are many values we can use sa VGS, no? So, okay lang na siya. Okay, so again, this is our equation, no? For JFET and D MOSFET sa ato naman ng next lecture ako natag sa inyo. Okay, so kung naay pangutana or naay mga values nga ihatag sa inyo ha or mga problem, we can always use this Shockley's equation. Lahat po sa biasing class, sorry. Sa itong mga biasing kay sorry base na miss ko ako. Sa ato ang FET DC biasing, naagyan pa tayo mga KVL and everything. Pero, given na ni diretso tong ID nga equation. Okay, given na siya diretso. As opposed to BJT nga murag from scratch, bitaw gyud ang atong pag-solve sa IB based sa ihang biasing. Okay. So, mo ni siya ang mga special lang ni siya mga values for your VGS and ID class ha. When your VGS is 0, kabalo naman taan ni ID is equal to IDSS. When your VGS is equal to VP, ID is equal to 0. Ay mga special values here para lang mag-graph na to ni siya ba. When your VGS is 0.3 VP, kung atong i-solve diri 0.3 VP kana virtue of Shockley's equation. Ang makuha na to nga ID their class is the half 50% sa itong maximum drain current. So that is IDSS over 2. Pero if our VGS is 0.5 VP, meaning 50, half of the pinch of voltage, ang ato daw ID class is a quarter of our maximum current, IDSS divided by 4. So kung i-graph natin na siya, nga ni itsura, naghatag lang tag mga specific values na so that we can graph. Now, ingani itong mga quizzes sa ito ang FET now. You sketch the transfer curve defined by this parameter. So when our IDSS now, kung wala galing gihatag class ang unsa nga type of JFET, mahibaw-an na nimo sa value sa imong VP or sa imong VGS. Di ba ningon ko, when you have an N-channel JFET, N-channel nga JFET, ang atong mga VGS values ano is from 0 to negative values. Okay? So kung nakay VP dira nga -6, you know nga we are properly biasing an N-channel nga JFET. So in case lang wala na mention nga unsa siya nga type of JFET, mahibaw-an na nimo siya sa values sa imong VGS or VP. Okay, so sketch the transfer curve and given by the maximum drain current that is 12 milliamperes and our pinch off voltage is -6. So, by virtue ng table, no, kung ano to ang mga values nga 0, 0.3, 0.5 of VP, we can get these coordinates. Okay, we can get these coordinates na kay 0, 12. Your VGS is 0. VGS ang imong X, no? So, when you have a 0 nga VGS, ang imong ID is 12. So, kani siya nga coordinate. When you have a negative 1.8, that is 6 ang imong drain current. So, you have negative 1.8 kana siya. So, kani siya. Okay. And then, when you have VGS ng negative 3, kani, your ID is 3. IDS is over 4. So, nakay 3 na lang. And then finally, when your VGS is equal to your pinch of voltage, of course, 0 ang imuhang y-axis or imuhang ID. So, nakadira. Now, if you sketch that, makadraw ka ani nga curve. So, this is the transfer curve of our JFET nga kini ang imuhang specific parameter. Okay, importante na siya class when we design a certain transistor. We know unsa atong i-expect na graph sa iya, but that's for LX2 and LX3. Sige, so this is a sample no nga dapat mag-quiz mo sa inyo. But you can try to answer this one. Muna yung parameters itong N-channel JFET. We have drain current nga 10 milliamperes. We have pinch of voltage of -4. And then you can calculate the drain current class for VGS is equal to 0 using Shockley's equation. So kanita na you can very algebra ra kani siya. Kasi you can use Shockley's equation for this. And then you could also number 2 is a different given ang P-channel na punta. So P-channel with IDS is 4 milliamperes and VP is equal to 3 volts. Again, ang P-channel is operating at VGS of positive values. So dali mo sinunduman kung P positive dapat imong mga VGS. So imong VP should also be positive. For your N-channel, negative po ang imong VGS. So you can still use this. Anyways, for N or P channel, mo-apply man gyapon ang ato ang Shockley's equation because kasi mingon ka ma'am negative maning ko andere sa imong VGS. Okay. So kung N-channel nga JFET, di ba negative ni nga value? Imong VP kay negative man po. So wala na tayo problema ani. This will not be affected nga sign class. So kung P-channel po ta positive man itong mga VGS, positive po na atong pinch of voltage, then wala gihapon tay di gyapon ni ma-affect ang negative diri. Kaya basin ano na ninyo ma-change ang equation, dili siya ma-change. Okay? Sige, so this is an example. C2, you can answer it on your own and then you can move on to MOSFET. I linked the video for that and then last would be the DC biasing din class. Okay, thank you so much.